What's going on, everybody? Prem Dubs here, and I'm back to do another video. Today we're going to take a look at one hobby box of 2021 extended hockey. So yeah, as you can see, the plastic wrap is not on. Don't worry, I didn't open any packs. It's just I started recording and I thought I started recording. I did not press record. I was just talking to myself. As always, if you're new to the channel, like and subscribe. Prem Dubs, that is me. Also, if you're not new, welcome back, guys. Let's just get right into this. Also, I got a new knife. Let's pretend to... There we go. Okay, cool. There we go. Did that. Now let's go. Also, open that. There we go. We did that. Let's just get right to this. Hobby boxes take a little while to open, so try to zoom through this as fast as I can. Try not to miss any Young Guns. Last video I did, I think I missed a couple of Young Guns. I think one, I missed one, but I found it. So. Here's your lovely packs of extended series hockey. So let's just get to the first pack here. First pack, we got a Young Guns here. Oh, that's a nice card, green. Cool. Max Domi. Scott Mayfield. John Brown. Kevin Ball. I pulled him in the last video, a French version. The loose pack video, go check it out. Also, I got more loose packs here. We'll open these later. Next pack. Any Young Guns in here? All Stars. Oh, here's one. McDavid. Let's go. I remember seeing this on eBay for like $15 or 20 bucks or something. It's kind of, yeah. I guess what do you expect? Hey, it's McDavid. And I think that was a base pack, unless I missed. Yep, McDavid All-Star, I guess. Next pack. Excuse me. Let me clear my throat here. It's been a long day. Young Guns of... Yes, let's go. Let's go. We got Arthur Kaliev. Cool. Looks nice. Corners are sharp. Set that there. Got All-Star here. Patrick Kane. Patty Kane. Nice. We finally got the good Young Gun there, Mr. Arthur. I think my first box, I thought I pulled the Arthur, but I didn't. We got one of these. Kevin Lankinen. Cool. One of those victory cards, Mark Giordano. Or no, not Mark. It just looked like Mark. Sorry. This is Max Pacioretty. Speaking of Mark, he went to the Seattle Kraken. Cool. Seattle Kraken. I'm actually excited to see how they play. It just seems like they got a stacked team. Kind of what Vegas did when they first came in the league. Go and handpick. Oh, there. We got a French. I swear, every French variant or what in my videos, it's always a Penguins guy. French. All my base Frenchies are Penguins, so cool. Jake Allen, almost said Carey Price. All-Star of Nico Hischier here, cool. But there we go, got our French card. Pulled a Kevin Ball last video, French version, Young Guns. We got a shiny card here. Let's just see. Nice. We got a Matthew Barzal here. All-Star. Kyle Clifford. Kevin Smith. Did I say it right? No, I didn't say that right. I said Kevin. I don't even know, man. Giovanni Smith, I think. But right behind, we got Alexander Ramanov. It's a nice card. Let's go. Holographics. Nice one, nice one. 5 minutes in. Let's speed it up here. Okay, let's just race through. I'm not naming no players. Let's go. All-Star of Jack Eichel. Cool. Nice. What is this? Let's go. David Pastrnak. This is a shiny one. I put one of these. It was a Jack Hughes, but it wasn't this shiny. Is it numbered or something? Oh, yes, it is too. Number 287 out of 299. David Pastrnak. What are these called again? I don't need. Oh, what are these called? Can someone let me know in the comments? What are the name of these? I'm not even gonna try and read that. Too shiny. Way too shiny. Also, we got a Tyler Seguin here. All-Star. Cool. That's a nice card there. Pastrnak. Sick. Any Pastrnak? Oh, we got All-Star here. Roman Josi. Any Pastrnak fans out there, guys? Got All-Star here of TJ Oshie. Nice. We got Pastrnak here again. All-Star. Okay, let's just see what's behind here. Nice and shiny. Nice. We got Niles Hoglander again. Cool. Holographics. Hoglander. That's a nice one. Let's go. Next pack. Where are the Young Guns at? Here's one. We got Young Gun here. Let's see what's up. Just get right into it, hey. All-Star of Seth Jones. That's a nice card. Let's go. Jack Rathbone. Did I say it right? Rathbone? Cool. All-Star of Tristan Jarry. Cool. Rathbone, hey? Got a clear cut here. Christopher Tanev. Okay, these are just regulars, but here you go. Christopher Tanev, clear cut. Nice card. These are nice cards here. Cool. Decent box, I guess. Hold a good Young Gun. That's what I'm hunting. All-Star of Matthew Tkachuk. All-Star of Jordan Binnington. Got a Cody. Oh, no. We're just going to go through them. Okay, we got a Bo Horvat here. Cool. Holographics. Bo Horvat. All-Star of Anthony Duclair. All-Star of Shea Weber. Yo, this is a solid box. Pulling a bunch of stuff here. A bunch of All-Stars. Another All-Star. Leon Draisaitl, my man. Let's go. Oh, we got a Young Gun here. Cody Curran. Curran? I don't even know, man. Curran. I don't know, man. Let's go. Brady Tkachuk. Come on, let's go. Tyson Berry. Rookie class of Victor Soderstrom. Cool. Those are nice. Nice cards for sure. Nice cards. Any more All-Stars here? Yeah, we got one here. Travis Konechny. Cool. Oh, there goes the card. Pick that up. It's just a base. Don't worry about it. Okay, here we go. Next card. Of Yanni Hakanpää. However you say that, man. Like, that's what I mean. That's what I mean. I'm not gonna try. Sound like a fool. Trying to pronounce these names. especially with a guy like me. Strong accent here. I got a strong accent. Oh, check this out. We got a die cut here of Ty Dellandrea. That's a nice card, man. Future Impact. Okay, that's that. But this is a nice card. Is it numbered or anything? Oh yeah, here we go. Number 723 out of 1,000. That's a nice card. Maybe I can, you know, set them right here because that is a nice card. Also, we pulled this guy. Might as well throw him up on the card stand here. Be careful. There you go. Cool. All right, next pack. We are 11 minutes in. Zooming up here. Let's speed it up here. Elias, Pedersen. Nice. Those jerseys are sick, I swear. Starting to grow on me. All-star of Quinn Hughes. Quinn Hughes' brother just got selected. I think 4th overall, I think. I'm not too sure. I just saw a little quick glimpse and I just busy all day. Get my camper ready to go camping. Frederick Anderson. All-star. Cool. Oh, here we go. Here's one of those variants, I guess. Alex Pietrangelo. Yeah, I think that's a variant with his clothes, right? I think. I'm just gonna set that there. I think that's a variant. Has to be. Because you don't just see these hockey players in their clothes, right? Unless it's just a canvas card with a different picture. But yeah, that's a nice picture. Nate McKinnon. Hardcore Nate. That's what I call him. He's freaking. Excuse me. He's freaking good. He's fast on the ice. He's just wicked. Bowen Byram. That's a nice one. Ovation. These cards, they just seem like they're numbered, but cool. Next pack. Base. Young Guns of Blues. Joel Hofer. You bet. Mr. Joel. Okay, we got All-Star of David Perron. Another All-Star of Ryan O'Reilly. Cool. Okay, yeah, I'm tripping here. Anyway, next pack. Thought I left the Young Guns there in the All-Star pile. Oh, we got one here. Young Guns here. All-Star of Tyler Bertuzzi. All-Star here of Jonathan Huberdeau. Young Guns of Connor Mackey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, that's all my Young Guns. That's all of them. Dang it. I was hoping to get like a Lexi Lafreniere. Did you see his Young Guns? How much it's going for? Dang. That card I would sell. Buy more stuff. Because there is a lot of people out there with lots of money. McDavid, let's go. That's a nice card. Cool, man. Nice card, yo. Any Connor McDavid card, it's worth some money. But they all go on my PC. The Oilers PC is huge. At least I got McDavid Young Guns. Yes, let's go. Yo, here we go. Ty Dellandrea. Young Guns Tribute. That's a nice one. I'm just going to set that on the stand if I have any left. Nope, don't have any left. I'll just set that there because that's a nice card. No, I'll set that right here. That's a nice card. Let's go. I love those 0506 tributes. They're sick. Those nice cards. Another tribute here. Drew Doughty. Cool. I think I already pulled a Drew Doughty tribute. I'm not too sure. All right, final 2 packs. Let's go, Mojo. We got another tribute here. Have a Jonathan Huberdeau. That's a nice one. Nice cut. All-star of a. Here we go. Mr. Defense Tripper. He'll trip you if you pass him. You deke Mark Giordano, he's gonna go ahead and trip you. There we go. That's a nice one. Braden Holtby All-Star. Vasilevsky All-Star. Checklist. And our final card will be the Ryan Sutter. Cool. Those are nice. All of the inserts were the last 4 cards. There you have it. A few nice cards. That's a nice one there. Yeah, nice card right there, hey. Let's go. That one too, Pasternak. That's a nice card there too, yep. What else? There we go. That's a nice card. There you go. Not bad, not bad. There you go. Finally got the Young Guns of Arthur. There you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. Another hobby box. Pretty solid. Decent box there for extended hockey. Thanks for watching, guys. Also, go and enter. I know I said I was gonna do the draw for this, but I was too busy. I'm sorry. Someone will win it. Good luck. Enter, enter, enter. All right. Peace.